Okay, for this project, I used a piece of white oak, 3/4 of an inch thick by 3.5 inches wide, and I cut it at 9 inches long, 45-degree cut on both ends. You can use any wood for this project. You can use pine or walnut, whatever you prefer. And then the whole layout is 1 3/4 inches down from the top, and that's centered, so that'd be 1 3/4 inches from that side. And then I use a hole saw to drill this, and you don't need a drill press for this. You can use a hand drill, and then I used a roundover bit in my router to clean up the edges of the hole. And then I started out with 80 grit sandpaper and got all the blemishes out. And then when I moved to 120 grit, you can see I drew a line with my pencil, and once that line disappears, you know that you've sanded enough. And I did that before I started with the 220 grit. And then for the finish, I just sprayed on a clear coat. You can use, boiled linseed oil or shellac or polyurethane, whatever you prefer. And that's it.